Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Dataset Spotlight. In this video we're going to look at Dictionary of Medicines and Devices. We get this data from the NHS Digital TRUD website, and just to remind all customers are aware that they need to subscribe to these packs to access them via our service. This data comes out every week. It's quite a complicated data set. I'll just show you some of the contents. So this is one that was downloaded just recently. Comes with 2 zip files, a whole bunch of XML files explaining the different elements of DM+d, and also a bonus pack, which has let's just open this now actually. Oops. Oh, BNF as well. There is another BNF schema, by the way, in UK Health Dimensions. So we load all of these data sets every week into here, into these tables, and they're ready for you to use in your data sets. As I understand it, hospitals generally, a lot of them have a sort of pharmacy department, and a lot of them seem to have someone who's in charge of analysing the data around their drugs. And in a lot of cases, the systems they use DM+d codes. So that is the department I'd expect that would make most use out of this data set. Anyway, just wanted to make sure you know it's there. To get more information, go to this TRUD website here, or also go to this NHS BSA website here. I'll put the links in the description. Thanks.